Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is गौरी तोशनीवाल अगेन. मुझे पता है सब लोग न्यूज़पेपर रीड कर ही रहे होंगे और न्यूज़ चैनल भी देख ही रहे होंगे, बट स्टिल कुछ रह ही गया हो तो हियर इट इज़. This video is more about the cure or moreover prevention of the great pandemic COVID-19. So हमने अभी तक डूज एंड डोंट्स एंड उसके प्रिकॉशंस कैसे लेने हैं सब कुछ देखा है. अब क्योर पे शिफ्ट होते हैं. These are some stats how the COVID story in these 20 countries changed in 3 months. Here, India reported its first COVID-19 case on January 30th, and after that, at the same day, different countries had different number of patients. So 13 countries managed outbreak better than India and 5 worse. Here, the growth rate is increasing exponentially in India, and no country is growing at same rate as India's. It is actually 6.7%, which is highest amongst them all. ये स्टैट से समझ आ ही रहा है कि हालात काफ़ी ही हाथ के बाहर निकल चुके हैं, बट स्टिल देयर इज़ अ प्रिवेंशन. We'll talk about 3. First is plasma therapy. This is a pictorial representation of the plasma therapy. To the left, the person is coming out of the hospital who has got recovered from the COVID-19. In the second picture, the same person is donating the blood for the another patient. This blood is collected by the different laboratories available, and the separate plasma and blood components. Plasma actually contains the antibodies which is given to the severely attacked or severely infected patients of the COVID-19. This actually called a passive immunity, where we provide antibodies from outside of the body. Plasma therapy is basically donation of the plasma from the recovered patient to the severely affected patient or severely infected patient. But this plasma therapy can be given to the patient who is a health worker or a family of the patient which are at higher risks. Recovered patient donate blood and this is used by the another patients, right? But with the plasma therapy comes the risk. First is, while donating the blood, if it is not screened well, the patient may be AIDS positive or HIV positive or hepatitis B positive. If it is not screened well, another patient may get infected and the situation may get worse. This is not the first time we are using plasma therapy as a prevention, but before this, for Ebola in 2014, plasma therapy was used. In Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, MERS, plasma therapy was used. Even in 1918 and in 2019 for H1N1 influenza virus, which is we call it as a Spanish flu. For that also plasma therapy was used. Now another temporary drug we use for this COVID-19 is hydroxychloroquine, that we all know, जो डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने मंगवाया था इंडिया से, एंड HCQ, that is hydroxychloroquine with azithromycin is the best drug, they say. But there is a term called virulence factor. पूरा के पूरा virus is not virulent, that means it does not cause infection. There is one factor which every virus got and through which they infect to the human body or other animals or plants. So if we remove this virulence factor, we can get rid of the infection. So this COVID-19 has spikes on it. They are the actual virulence factor. So this HCQ and azithromycin attack that site and make this virus less infected. And recently in Italy, National Institute of Rome has invented vaccine for the COVID-19. I'm sure that will be helpful for the patients and rest of the world also. They have already tried it on mouse. After summer, they are going to try it on human. If it works, it will be win-win for them and for all of us. Thank you so much. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.